Good morning. This lecture today is the second in a series of talks on Swami Vivekananda's Jnana Yoga. So the first one was last month. I think it was called Our Real Nature. And this one is Maya. I have never spoken on this subject earlier. It's perhaps the most difficult subject that I have ever taken up. So be ready to go away with a headache. Brahman is very simple. Maya is complicated. Swami Vivekananda devoted 3 whole lectures on Maya in his series of talks on Jnana Yoga in London. In fact, the house where he gave those talks, it's still there. And if you go there, they have a blue circle system there in the United Kingdom where it's a heritage place. It says the Hindu philosopher and monk gave talks here in this house. It's there in London. Mamatanath Ganguly, one of Swami Vivekananda's disciples, approached him once. Swami Vivekananda was very happy with him and said, "Ask for something and I'll give it to you." And Mamata asked me a question. So Mamatanath asked, "I have read your lectures on Maya, but I want to know about it more fully from you. Please tell me what is Maya." And Swami Vivekananda said, "Ask something else." But Mamata persisted. He said, "If I cannot know this from you, from a guru like you, then I will never understand it in my life. I have got a guru like you, and this is something that I want to know in my life." Then Swami Vivekananda started speaking, and Mamata has his reminiscences, we learned about it from there. He started speaking. After some time, Mamata said, "It's as if literally, not even as if literally, the world started spinning around him and it dissolved." He says, he gives an example. I don't think it's there in the English translation of his reminiscences. In the original Bengali, it's there that when you look at a fire and just above a fire there is, if you see because of the heat, there's a shimmer. The world seems to come in and out of focus. So the room around him, the place around him seemed to vibrate, come in and out of focus. It's as if it's disappearing. After some time, Vivekananda himself disappears. His own, Mamata's own body has disappeared. He's just hearing the voice of Vivekananda. And then he bursts out. He bursts out in a high-pitched voice. He's saying, "All this is Maya. Even you, what you are doing, all this Ramakrishna mission, the monastery, all your work, this is all Maya." And Vivekananda. So he says this and suddenly he realizes, in Bengali, in Indian languages, there are different ways of saying asterisk you. Asterisk in Old English. Also there was thou and you. So you say apni to somebody who's senior. So Guru, Vivekananda, is his guru. He should have said apni, but he said asterisk to me means you. When you say it to somebody who is your inferior or to a child somebody, in any way, certainly not your guru. He realized he had said to me, to Vivekananda. The moment he realized this, the sense of difference comes in and all the world snapped back into place. And Vivekananda is there sitting and looking at him and smiling. And Vivekananda said, "You are right, all this is Maya. And if you do not like this play of Maya, then go into the Himalayan fastness and meditate and merge into Brahman. But if you cannot, then come and help in this work." Unfortunately, what Vivekananda said, Mamata has not written that down. So I don't think I can deliver that to you today to make the world disappear. But I think I can reasonably promise you a fairly intense headache today. But Vivekananda's lectures are there, the talks on Maya. So today's talk is based on what Vivekananda said about Maya in 3 lectures. I'll try my best to summarize what he has said. Vivekananda spoke about Maya in a refreshing new way, in a very direct way. Those who have read those lectures, you will never forget, asterisk, and this is Maya, asterisk.